Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back. Ava and I are here to do some math with you. So let's get our minds warmed up. Let's count by tens to 100. So get your mouth ready. Make sure you're in your screen so we can hear you. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great work. Let's see if we can count by ones, but let's start a little higher today. Let's start with 20, and when you hear the pattern, I want you to join Ava and I. Are you ready? Here we go. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh my goodness, how'd you do? I saw a lot of great mouths moving. You hear that over and over again, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even when you hear that beginning, like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I bet if we keep practicing that, we are going to be counting to 100 in no time. And I know a lot of our friends can already do that. Well, boys and girls, what we're going to do today is you are going to need your whiteboards. So Ava has her whiteboard marker out, and I hope you can get your whiteboard out right now, because we are going to do kind of like that slate work that we did before. I'm going to give you some 10 frames, and I want you to write what number you see on your slate or your whiteboard and show it to us. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 10 frames that we have today. So here I'm going to go into my screen so you can see it. All right, see, here we go. All right, so do you see that? Quick, write the number that you see. What number is it? Oh, Ava, look at all of these great numbers. You're right, the number is 2. Good job. Okay, let's do another one, boys and girls. Are you ready for the next 10 frame? You're gonna count the dots. Here you go. How many do you see? Write the number down. Oh my goodness, I know. Look at that. They're starting to write them already. You're right. 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go to the next one. Oh, some of you know that really fast from practicing with 10 frame before. How many are there? You can count them. Go ahead and write it down as fast as you can. Oh, some people are going really fast, Eva. 5. Half of the 10 frame is a 5 frame. Great work. Do another one. Oh, how many? A lot of you. Oh my goodness. Look at them writing so fast, Ava. That one kind of reminds me of what we do when we're subitizing with the 4. Look at that. They look kind of the same, don't they? So our eyes are able to see that really good. Great job writing those 4s, boys and girls. Let's do one more. How many? Show me. Awesome work. You know, I noticed we had a 3 where it was 1, 2, 3, and now we have 3 this way. You can sure show 3 in a lot of ways, can't you? It kind of reminds me of that other game that we played. Well, speaking of games, there is a new game that we're going to learn today. And what you're going to need for that game, and you don't have to get them out right now, I just want you to watch, is we've got some 10 frame cards that look like this. 10 frame cards, and then you have some number cards. And I don't know if you've ever played a game called, sometimes they call them memory match or 10 frame match. So we're going to play a game today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. And what I've done is I've already cut out all my cards. So some of my cards had 10 frames on them. Some of them had numbers on them, and I've put them all face down. Now, sometimes you can see the numbers through them, so you might want to color over them. That's up to you if you want. But the way you play this is you turn over a card, And then you turn over a second card and you see if they match. So this one has a number 1, and how many does this have? Oh, I see some fingers up there, 2. So that is not a match. So I'm gonna turn this down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. 4, oops, let's turn that the right way. 4, and let's turn this one over. 1, not a match, but you know what? We saw that one before, didn't we? Let's turn that back over and see if we can find it. So I know this is a 1. I think this was a 1 too. Let's see. Oh, look, it matched. So when you get a match, you get to keep your cards. Let me see if I can do another one. Let's do, you know how many that is? Do you remember? 5, yep. And let's do this one. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's not a match. So I'm going to turn it over. 5 and 4. I'm going to turn this one over here. 5. Do you remember where 5 was? I think it was here. Oh, it's a match. So I get to keep the cards. So boys and girls, this is a really fun game. You can play it with a grown-up. You can take turns playing it with a stuffed animal friend, but it's a great practice for subitizing, getting to know those numbers really quick and finding matches. So stay tuned and we're going to give you a little bit more direction.